Hey, it's Lee Romano with the Home Team Group with Keller Williams Space Coast. Today here at the Dirty Ore Brewing Company in Cocoa Village. I'm here with the owner, Paul Hill. We're going to be hosting our second annual first-time homebuyers workshop here from 5 to 7 on March 30th and March 20th. And just wanted to talk with Paul a little bit about the business. So tell me how you got started and what's going on here with the business now.
Well, there was 3 of us, and we had a little bit of money and some big ideas, and Chris made some beers that he thought he could sell, so we started this venture, and here we are today, pretty happy, having a good time. Semi-retirement for me.
Not so much, is it?
Well, it's not so bad.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
But having fun, making great beer, and enjoying life.
Tell us about the new the dog event coming up here.
Yeah, once a month during the cooler months, we do a thing called the Bar Brew Fest in collaboration with Tales of the Barkery. Every month, it's a different rescue group that's the benefactor for the event. And they usually, the next one is March 18th from 5 to 7 here, and the benefit group is the Mid-Florida Shelties, I think is the name of it. And that one's near and dear to Pam's heart, that owns Tales of the Barkery, because she owns, I think, 3 or 4 Shelties.
Awesome.
So, yeah,
Awesome.
that's going to be a big one.
Very good. Hey, listen, just so you know, this is our favorite brew pub in the area here. So come on out to Dirty Ore anytime you have a chance, and we'll see you on March 20th for the First Time Homebuyers Workshop. If you're a first responder, if you're a teacher, we have a lot of programs that
They
we're
have
gonna
to
share with you.
register.
And you have to register. That's my director back there.
All right.
All right. Salud.
Excellent.